Did you know that 65% of marathon runners face ankle injuries that could end their racing dreams? But here's a game-changing recovery secret. Meet Sarah, a dedicated marathon runner sidelined by a devastating ankle injury. Traditional recovery methods weren't cutting it until her physical therapist introduced her to eccentric calf raises. This simple yet powerful exercise involves slowly lowering your heel below the step's edge while controlling the descent. The magic happens in the lengthening phase, where tendons rebuild stronger than before. Research shows this technique increases tendon strength by 30% and boosts lean muscle mass, making it a double win for runners. 3 weeks into her new routine, Sarah's pain dropped significantly. The controlled movements retrained her muscles and tendons, creating a more stable ankle joint. By focusing on proper form and gradual progression, she returned to running stronger than ever. Want to know the exact technique that got Sarah back on track? Drop a comment below.